What is up, guys? So as you guys know, yesterday was an amazing day. We finally got the Red Z tuned. If you guys didn't watch the video, go watch it. It was awesome. So the Red Z is officially driving amazing. The power is so smooth and I'm so impressed with what it made. If you're wondering where the hell the thing is, I let B-Hall take it today so we could see how it feels. So but today is another huge day for me, and by the title you guys probably already know, my lift is officially coming the hell in. Well, it's in a few towns over. I gotta go pick it up. So I just got the phone call, of course, as I get to the shop. Pain in the ass. So what we gotta do now is drive back home, get the truck, hook the trailer up, bring it back with the 240, unload all the drift stuff. I don't even want to look at the car. Go back, pick up the lift, and then bring it down here and officially have the lift in my damn building. And it's about time. And I know you guys have been really stoked on me getting a lift, and I couldn't be more excited. So today's a huge day. So I need to shut the hell up and get out the shop, and let's go get the 240. And God, this thing is so crunched. Wait, no, it doesn't look that bad on camera. Look at this thing. Wait till I open the door jam and you see what the hell happened. But I get it. It's a drift car. It's gonna happen, and I anticipate it. I do pride myself in having a clean drift car. I mean, I like having nice things. A lot of people do. So I'm gonna try my best to keep this thing looking nice. Luckily, it is the end of the season, so I'm not too worried about it. But I'm very confident with Brian's help. We're gonna get this thing looking straight again, and I'm excited. Not too worried about it. Oh, I made the point in the last video. I know this is a drift car, and it's supposed to get smashed up. And you know, I'm fully willing to accept that. Doesn't mean you don't get disappointed when it happens. It's just part of the game. That's gonna happen a lot more to me throughout my drifting experience, I guess you would say. But doesn't mean you should be lazy and let your drift car stay looking like crap, because nothing beats a clean drift car. And like I said, I just like to have a nice thing. So we're gonna fix this. It's gonna be good as new soon enough, but let's get it down to the shop, unload it up, and just not look at it for a few days. So we're all unpacking the drift event, and goddamn does this car need some love. Oh boy, but it's okay. We'll get there. All right, let's go pick up this damn lift. Kind of nervous. Definitely excited. All right, well, I found the entrance. Now we gotta figure out where the hell I'm picking this thing up at. On the left. Clearly. This is so random. Wish me luck. Oh, shit. There she is, boys. Let's tie her down and bring it back to the shop. It's a big bitch. All right. Hopefully that'll do it. My little bitch ass strap. So hopefully the thing's still there when I get it to the shop. But sweet, I'm excited to open up and show you guys exactly what I got, and maybe mock it up in place today. That'd be pretty cool. So yeah, let's hit the shop. This is awesome. Chubby, what do you think?
It's a lift, goes up and down. It's right? Good with me.
So I thought it was actually gonna be black, but it's hammer finish. But I think the hammer finish is cooler, actually.
You mean to tell me they beat this thing with a hammer?
So we're gonna start taking it apart on the trailer, so it makes it lighter, obviously, and try to get them into position somewhere. We're not gonna install it tonight, but we're gonna set it up, and then hopefully tomorrow, if everything goes planned, we might actually set it up.
Let me get this shit out of the way. Make sure you don't get jammed up.
Alright, we got it off the trailer. It was a little sketchy, but we did it. So now I'm gonna unbolt the plates that link these two together, and we should be able to have enough man strength between me and Brian to move each column around. I guess let's find out. Bri, we gotta make this into something cool.
Make what? What?
This packaging angle iron, we gotta make something cool out of it. Start brainstorming.
I already got it. Ejecto seat.
I see you.
Hey, walking.
Oh, I guess all the weight's on the fucking bottom. It kind of wants to go up. Jeff, make sure it doesn't. There we go. Look at that. We can lift the car up now. That's a tall bitch.
Yeah, you should be able to just move it. I think we have tall ceilings. Yeah, this thing is super fucking tall.
Holy hell.
Fuck it.
Nice.
We need a ladder to build this thing.
No, we'll build it against the wall and then we'll waddle it out.
No, you can't because you
No,
gotta
you
bolt it
can't.
together and you can't move them together.
I got a ladder tall enough.
Oh my god. Usually this tall? Do these look abnormally tall?
It is really tall.
I guess it's a good thing.
Yeah. Well, yeah, it's a good thing for you.
Yeah, because I'm a tall
Doesn't matter
bitch.
for me.
True. I've never been underneath the lift.
It's honestly gonna suck working together under the lift.
Oh yeah.
You're gonna be hunched over the whole time.
I'm always hunched over,
I'm
yeah.
not reaching.
Looks pretty cool. Unfortunately, it came pretty scratched up, and I know it wasn't the shipping company because that was underneath the cardboard, so kind of sucks. Look at that. Pretty good money for something. Whatever. But now we're gonna try and measure the piece that connects the top of them to see how wide we have to put them apart from each other. Probably in the instructions somewhere, but we'll just measure it. Instructions. We don't need these. No, we should probably use that. We definitely need this. Okay. Oh, that's a lot of parts. Well, good news. I found some stairs, so this should make our life a little bit easier. Sick.
We're already off to a great start. Hold on.
What's really awesome is it came with what, B?
Instructions?
No, the studs.
Oh, it came with studs, which is great because this is like $80 to $100 right there. I gotta find the 2 washers that belong to this.
Got all the parts laid out. Doesn't seem too complicated at all. So we gotta basically bolt. There's a piece of metal, as you can see right there, that bolts the top together to link it as one. And there's basically like a stop brake on there. So if your car hits it, it stops the whole lift from going up. And obviously all the side pieces. It's not hard. We'll go through it in a little bit, but I actually had to head out for a while, so it's actually my mom's birthday, so everyone wish my mom a happy birthday. I'm gonna go out, we're gonna have some dinner with the fam and everything, and we should have enough time to come back and get some more stuff done, so I'll see you guys soon. All right, guys, so we're back from dinner, so everyone make sure you wish Mama Oaks a happy birthday in the comments, because you sure in hell know that she reads every single one, so happy birthday, Mom. I love you. Hope you had a great day. Now, it's a little bit later, but I gotta get some more things done on the lift. Now, B-Hall's not here. I don't know if he's coming back, but I know a lot of you guys are probably curious on how these show up, and I was too, and this is it. And a bunch of little pieces that we have to figure together. But you know what? We have instructions, so it can't be too bad. So first thing I'm gonna do is I wanna get the top piece on, the piece that connects the two, so it's kind of a pretty steady unit. I mean, these things are not falling over. But if they're together, they're not moving at all. So these are the rollers for the cables right here, and this is gonna go on top. And luckily I got the stairs, so. I tell you where everything goes, but I don't say like in what order you should put it on, so I'm assuming it really doesn't matter. Come on. Ah, thank God for those hooks. All right, she's on there. I need to strap a GoPro to my damn forehead or something for this. This is kind of sketchy. All right, I have no idea what's next. So my guess would be to basically install this piece first, next. This will actually link the 2 tops together. There's some pieces that bolts that I should probably do on the ground, but I'm gonna say screw it and just do it up because I have a nice ladder, so.
You got it?
Mm-hmm. All right. Just straighten it up. Alright, so. Oh, this might be upside down.
You think so?
You would think it curves down, but I don't think it does. Let's look at the manual. So we got the main bar, whatever you want to call that thing. And we actually, I'm not gonna lie to you, we put it in upside down the first time, so we had to move it, but somehow Matt and I managed to get that thing in there. And now I just gotta spend the next 20 minutes getting these damn bolts in. It's a pain in the ass, so I'll see you guys on the next step. Although I think what we have to do is there's like a little pole that hangs from here, and it's supposed to be for when if you raise your car too high and it hits it, it'll actually stop the lift from going up. So, can you see it? Right there. We have the brackets that actually hold up the little safety pole thing. I don't know what the technical name is, but these are easy. It bolts to this side and just kind of sits in this side. So, it's just gonna go right there and right there. What do you think, Don? It's a big deal.
This is a really big deal.
I said I was gonna do it, and guess
For
what
a
I
long
did?
time, and you did it on your own too. I showed up and this thing was already put up.
Yeah, I got a lot to do still, but It's gonna be cool though, isn't it? What do you think of the hammer finish? It's pretty badass, right?
Yeah.
Beats blue. All right, so Matt is sewing in the guides for. There it is. There's like a small cable that goes around the top. I don't know what it's for, to tell you the truth, but it needs to be in there, and that's gonna end the whole top pieces. And then we got to run all these cables up and around there, which I will explain when we do it. But we're not gonna do it right now. But what I want to do is I want to throw the legs on just because I want to see what they look like. I know it's kind of stupid, but I'm eager. You get a pad, and you get a pad. The lift is, I would say, probably 50% together, maybe 40%. Even though it might look like pretty complete, there's a lot of stuff that's not hooked up. But I think that's all I have in me for tonight because I'm absolutely exhausted. I'm not gonna lie. Hopefully tomorrow we'll have this thing fully bolted in. We'll have a car on it, and I'm so pumped. So hope you guys are stoked for me because I know this has kind of turned into a meme at this point. What would you have to say about it, Don?
It's finally up. It's a lot of excitement.
It is a lot of excitement.
We're gonna be sitting up there like in Tokyo Drift where they have all the cars on the lift and stuff. And then Han's gonna show up with all his boys, and then one of us is gonna run and drop the garage on one of their cars. Sick.
It could be this one because the roof's already fucked. But there it is. So I don't know what to say, but the lift is officially here. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And Donovan, ma'am,
Have a good night.